Hello friends, welcome to Yash Touch channel. I am Yash. Today I am making video for inspection type 13, that is in process inspection for repetitive manufacturing. Friends, all of you know that there are three scenarios in production planning: discrete manufacturing, repetitive manufacturing and process industry. So in repetitive manufacturing we use the product which have higher stability and the product which has no longer changes. So that particular product we use in process inspection, and inspection type 13 we can use for that particular product. So let's move towards inspection type chart. As shown on the screen, inspection type 30 is nothing but in process inspection for repetitive manufacturing. Its functional area is production. Some prerequisites is needed for generating inspection lot for repetitive manufacturing in process inspection, and this prerequisites is nothing but rate routing and MICs. In rate routing we maintain inspection characteristics, and with the help of that inspection characteristics we record the result. This inspection type is not stock relevant. First we create demand for this finished product, and with the help of T code MFPR we use production version and to create inspection lot. Once inspection lot created, as usual we do result recording and use this decision. The application area for this inspection type is purely for finished material and semi-finished material. So friends, let's move towards demo session. First, I maintain quality management view for finished material. This is my finished material. I maintain quality management view. So friends, this is my quality management view. Here I maintain inspection type 30, that is in process inspection for repetitive manufacturing. Next step, I created already bill of material, rate routing and production version. So in rate routing I maintain inspection characteristics. So T code for creating rate routing is CA21. I already created it, so I can show you. Yes, this is my rate routing up to operation 10 and operation 20. In operation 10 I maintain inspection characteristics, that is my MIC is vernier and my sampling procedure is sample 1. Yes, so as showing on the QM inspection type chart, my next step is to create demand. So friend, T code for creating demand is nothing but MD61. So I created demand for finished product. I maintain date range here. This is my date 1/6/2020 and my end of the date. Here I maintain planning period is day. Yes. Here I maintain demand for 2000. Here I maintain demand for 3000. Here I maintain demand for 4000 and save. So friend, my next step is to check whether this properly demand is fetched or not. So T code of stock requirement list is nothing but MD04. In that screen I refresh. Yes, my all demands are come in stock requirement list. Next step, I run MRP for that product. I run MRP for that product. The T code for running MRP is MD02, single item multi-level. Here I set some MRP control parameter and run MRP. Again, I go to the stock requirement list and refresh it. Yes, all run orders are properly prepared. So my next step, as showing on the inspection type chart, I use T code MFPR for generating inspection lot. So friends, the T code for generating lot for in process inspection in repetitive manufacturing is MFPR. Yes, this is the screen from where we can generate inspection lot for repetitive manufacturing. I select without limitation. Here I put plant, here I put my material, and here I put my production version. Execute it. Yes. So friend, during execution, processing inspection lot for production version here show material, plant, and green flag. So I click on this detail. Now I mark here fetch all production version, date, range, and this my inspection lot number. When I click on create inspection lot, my inspection lot will be created. So now I click on create inspection lot. Here friend, one message come that inspection lot for material 194, plant 1000 created. So I will go towards inspection lot selection screen. Here I put today's date, here I put my plant, and here I put my finished material. Now I am executing it. Yes, so friends, here is my inspection lot come. Now my next step, as showing on the inspection type chart, my next step is to do result recording and uses decision. So I click on the result recording. Here I select operation 10 because in operation 10 I maintain MICs. Here I put my result for the specification. Now my status is changed. Result recording. Now my next step is to do usage decision. Here I put batch. Here I put accept UD code and save the result. Yes. Now after refreshing, green indicator come and system status change to UD. So friend, this inspection lot is used in repetitive manufacturing in process inspection. Next time I will come with inspection type 14. Meanwhile, you like the channel, subscribe it and share it. Keep touch with Yash Touch. Thank you.